Can I share my Apple Music playlist with others?
Hello, music lovers. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the process of sharing an Apple Music playlist with others. So, if you've been curating a collection of your favorite tunes, you're in luck. Sharing your personal music playlists has never been easier.
Can I share my Apple Music playlist with others?
Yes, absolutely. Apple Music allows you to share playlists you've created with others. This feature is not only a great way to recommend your favorite songs to your friends, but it also enables you to share your personal musical tastes. So yes, your Apple Music playlists can definitely be shared.
How do I share my Apple Music playlist?
Sharing an Apple Music playlist is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. 1. Open the Apple Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. 2. Navigate to the playlist that you want to share. 3. Once the playlist is open, click on the three-dot icon. This is known as the More button. 4. A menu will pop up. From this menu, select Share Playlist. 5. Choose the method of sharing, via message, email, link, etc. Remember, the recipient will need an Apple Music subscription to fully access and play the songs from the shared playlist.
Can I control who sees my shared playlist?
Apple Music allows you to control the privacy of your playlists. By default, all the playlists you create are private to your account. When you decide to share a playlist, only the recipients of your shared link will be able to access it. However, if you wish to make a playlist public, you can do so by toggling the Public Playlist option in the playlist settings. The level of visibility is completely up to you. You have full control over who sees your playlists. And that wraps up our guide to sharing playlists on Apple Music. Now you're equipped to share your top tunes with friends, family, or even the world. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, the joy of music is in sharing it. Happy listening!